I found out I had cancer in March of 2008.
When a patient or a person is diagnosed with cancer, it's a devastating event in a person's life, not only from the medical standpoint and the illness, but it's devastating emotionally. It's an emotional crisis, it's a family crisis, financial crisis.
Just amazed that my life had come to this. It never crossed my mind I would ever get sick. And I don't have family in the neighborhood. I am a single mom, and I was very afraid.
We still have not developed the infrastructure to support this patient in the community, to support a person with cancer in all the other needs. And that's what Community Cancer Network is about.
Well, I'm a patient advocate, and what that means for them is I try to find resources to meet whatever needs they have. So we're kind of a security net for all the things that can go wrong when you're in treatment.
First things that I got personally from her was just how interested that she was in how my treatment affected my life. Because as a single mom, when I had to stop working and then work part-time for almost a year, I lost a lot of my income.
Oftentimes people are unable to work because they're sick, so if they don't have income, some people don't have short-term disability or long-term disability, so transportation becomes an issue because they can't afford to pay for gas. Food becomes an issue, paying the rent, utilities, prescription co-pays. We provide transportation to appointments. Sometimes people just get really weak and maybe need a walker or a wheelchair, so we have medical equipment that people can borrow.
I had my house cleaned once a month. There have been times when I have availed myself of the food pantry at Cancer Network's office, and they have helped me pay my rent. I had health insurance, but by paying the co-pays and the deductible and the things that our insurance doesn't cover, it drained my small amount of savings immediately. And then working part-time for almost a year.
Since Community Cancer Network opened the door, the demand has been very high and continue to increase. So there's a lot of people out there who wants to help, maybe because they have a personal experience with cancer, or they may have had a friend or a family member who had cancer, and maybe they're doing well right now, and they want to give back in one way or the other and help somebody else who's been through it. But they don't know how or where to call. So this is basically a call out for people to say, we really need your help.
Any donation is greatly appreciated and can make a huge difference for the people that are going through this.
So I don't really know how I would have gotten through without the Community Cancer Network. It was a great support and just a great blessing to my life.